Love that, boys. Nice working.
Right, so what's left to do then?
Steering rack. We'll polish the trim up.
Yeah.
Get that done. Could we put like stuff like the wiper member in yet? It's the wiper like we've got to modify the arms and the blades.
Yeah, and I mean, I'm not really going to keep it flat and polish that. I'm tempted to leave the scuttle as it is.
All these oil lines need tying up, don't they? Make sure they miss everything. We need to clean all this oil up now, nip this up and start it up to see where...
To me, that oil pan's leaking, but it could just be this thing.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's
We are polishing bonnet handle 450 mould and overspray on it. So I'm probably going to sand it first if we can get the chucking out of the drill. And I reckon this might be the handle of this car.
Why would you say that?
We bought it. No, it's not aftermarket, it's a second-hand one. But it's got like the same, well, very similar crappy green overspray all over it, like the rest of the car. Yeah, I think when there's Bob oil, oh, you broke this.
Finger extension is mad.
Hello, Mr. Alex.
Wah.
What are we doing?
Just cleaning out the
Cleaning out well, these headlights with the load of lack on them. Just opening the holes out so my bolts can pass through nicely. Like so. Oh! I think I'll blame the hoodie.
Putting your knobs in.
What are we doing?
Working out headlamp wiring. Where the floor switch has got to go, where the fuse box has got to go. Yeah, we're working her all out really. And then drill some holes and get her in.
Happy days.
Oh, cheeky!
Sorry, I'm busy filming the car. Oh, but see, no.
Beautiful, that is.
Here you go.
Make a bracket that comes out.
Yeah!
Hello, mate.
One of those, I was looking for ages for one. Nothing was coming up.
Yeah.
Pan's really clean.
It's quite a clean looking car.
Yeah, but the interior's nice. And I was just like, well, you know, it's a bit patina, but
Those chairs are mental.
I bought it before. Yeah, they're cool. They're more comfortable than you think as well, actually. Yeah, I thought they'd be horrible to drive, but they're all right. And you also then like closer to the ground, if it's honest. Yeah. Yeah.
Get the arm up swag.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've only driven one Carman, and it was the 2.5.
2.5.
It's a Carman gear from 1963. I got pretty big shoulders, so have yourself.
Yeah.
And I was sitting in it, and they've got the Audi TT seats in it, and obviously on the floor. I had to literally drive everywhere with the window open, so my shoulder would poke out the side of it, so I could actually like drive this. How do you find it with like the standard seating and stuff like that, or not standard seating?
I find it really comfy.
It's actually because that's the thing, is in this looks so bloody spacious.
Yeah, it's really comfy to drive.
Do you mind if I make it?
So this is rubbing like. Yeah, it's obviously like
the interior.
So a quick flying visit from Pete and his awesome Carman gear. A quick once over and a little bit of a tune later, and he'd be ready to get back on the road. So let's get back to the SEMA build.
I'm a magician.
We're doing, Mr. Alex.
I'm just trying to punch some incorrect bulbs in at the moment because ones that are required for this are, well, basically they're pretty outdated and very hard to get a hold of. We have got some coming tomorrow, but just so that we can test the function, we're fudging some in that will work but won't hold properly.
Excellent.
What have you done?
That makes it in the edit. What's so special about these injectors that you're putting on?
What's special about them is they might not leak.
They might function.
My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. Mike has just told me he's not going to blow up.
Well, you didn't say I know. Oh no.
Yay! That's right, big Warren.
And again. Nice.
What are we installing, Rob?
It's more of modifying. Obviously taking the 1950s loom, modernising it, putting a modern fuse box in there, and working out what's what so everything is covered and fused. It's a bit of brain scratching.
You high on the fumes yet?
Just about.
Yep.
Enjoying it.
I was going to say, it probably made a day go quicker, wouldn't it?
Here's a lot more we'll get through, innit? Especially with that thing, but it might, you know about it.
Well, if you've seen our previous videos, let's fire this puppy up.
top.
Well, a bit of a setback, but that's just another thing to add to the list. Let's start over. What is today's plan, Mr. Spencer?
After this, we can stop the fuel seepage.
Yep.
That's good.
Do you reckon they were the wrong washers to begin with then?
No, they are just old injector rails. Just try to take both and just get them both done, eliminate it all out.
That's scrap though. Lots of them chewed out now.
Either can weld, you can weld them in.
Yeah, that's what they
So no leaks,
That makes sense.
done. So I just do both rails and eliminate the whole now. We've got a plan on them now. Okay.
So if you've ever met us before at either a show or a festival or even just out and about, you know that we currently say that we work in a cowshed in Bristol. Most people take that as a joke. However, as you can see, we actually mean it.
Back into its position. I bolt the motor on it, but just have to see it. Leaves, this outer one sleeves into it, and now it's pulled apart, that's all loose and flapping.
Yeah.
So it's held up by that.
Okay. But I suppose to get a curve screw, put it up and just see.
I'll put the motor on,
Yeah.
put it all back together and hope.
Where's this? Something really got my smoke up there.
Pretty. And a very quick shout out to Avon Hydraulics for sorting out the gremlins in our hydraulic braking systems. And on top of people helping out, another special delivery that's going to save our bacon. This wonderful injector rail has been welded to perfection by the lovely Ivor. What are we doing, Mr. Alex?
I am currently gluing some oval window scrapers into a split window beetle because they don't make them for a split window, so you've got to buy two sets and join them together. But the retaining springs are slightly, they're like retaining wire, are at slightly different hole positions. So we resorted to cutting the wires down to allow them to stretch more, and then glue the hole out of the joints basically. And look, it worked fucking perfectly.
Doing a good job, mate.
Fit the light arms. The safari.
Down, it's there. Just open it up there. But don't risk cracking the paint, mate. You'll f***ing hurt you. I'm gonna reverse it.
Oh, it's not all about aesthetics. Do you remember how it sounded?
Look, 0.
No, come on.
Head temp is too high on any test drive we're doing, and I should have went with what I said for originally, and I didn't. Is instead of having glass windows, air ducts going straight to the back of the, so they go into the car, go under the air tank, straight into the cooling fan, and then it actually gets some cold air going to the fan rather than a dickish hot air coming straight off the turbo. Yay! That's right, we've got a week.